Okay, in this lesson we'll take a look at the attention systems of the brain. We've seen that attention and working memory are related systems. What we're paying attention to is what enters into our working memory system. And the working memory system is a limited system, but so too is our attention system. Now let's first ask why it is that we have attention systems in the brain. And the idea is that there's just too much information impinging upon our senses for the brain to be processing simultaneously. So the concept here is that brains are limited processors. They have a lot of computational power, but not infinite computational power, right? So if there is too much information in the world to be processed by your central processor, you have to have a mechanism of selecting out just certain streams of information for further processing. And that's what attention systems do in the brain. So the attention systems are an evolved adaptation because due to the limitations of computing power in brains. Now researchers understand attention as serving three main functions. The attention systems, first, they select from all the information impinging on our senses. The attention systems are going to select some channels of sensory information over others. So a selection function is going to limit the brain's computations to certain stimuli over others. Secondly, attention systems give priority and, in fact, enhance the processing of whatever it is that was selected. So if we imagine this scene out here, we got some people in the grass and a ball and a garbage can or something, and we are watching this scene, we might be paying attention to the ball, right? Not the trash can. We might be paying attention to the ball, and so our attention system has selected the ball over other things in the environment. And another consequence of the attention system is that the processing of the ball is enhanced at the expense, right, of processing other things in the environment. So two of the functions here, selection and enhancement, then it gets to this idea that if there's too much information in the world to be processing deeply at the same time, then we have to select certain channels of stimuli for further processing, and the further processing is the enhancement shown over here. And then finally, the attention systems can be vigilant. They can help us sustain the enhanced processing on the item of interest. So attention systems have evolved to perform three main functions: to select items for further processing. That further processing, we understand that as an enhancement of the processing of one item at the expense of other items that were not selected, and then also to maintain the enhanced processing of the item of interest.